Hello, welcome to Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie. I am a 30-year-old cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to budget out her finances. I live in Florida with a part-time job and I get paid weekly. So today is 3/11/25 and today we will be cash planning $350. Okay, so 350. Let's start with our wedding first. I'm only going to be stuffing 37 this week so that we can finally finish doing the venue, because it just needs one more, and I already put 10 in here too, and so the 37 plus the 10 equals 47, and we'll be able to get that. So apartment, we need the apartment deposit fee by next month on the 18th, so April 18th. So I had to switch up, quickly change the apartment thing, and it was cheaper. We instead got the cheaper apartment, so my half is only going to be $607, which is going to be $61 a week until April 18th. And so this week, I think I'm not going to but wait until all my other envelopes are figured out to see how much we could put in this at the end. Okay, so 350 minus 37 equals 313, minus 5 for Derek, 5 for emergency, and then meds we don't have to do, so that's going to be 0. Let's go to savings challenges. So 2025 savings is going to get $5. Lucky Leprechaun, let's do I don't know about that one yet, but gold coins will get 2, so let's do that. Okay, now let's go back up here to my wallet. So let's do gas is going to be 25. Buffer always gets 10. Groceries, let's try to do 65 this week. Spending and eating out, let's do $10 each. And then I usually put $2 in each category of these, so let's do that. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, so that's going to be $24. Then let's do $5 for Lucky Leprechaun. Then $2 for $1 savings. And then let's bump up groceries to to 70. So minus $5, and then we'll put the rest in apartment. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's make sure this is correct, my calculations. Wait, minus 350 minus 20 minus 70 minus 25 minus 10 minus 37 minus 10 minus 6 minus 18 minus 10 minus 4. Wait. Okay, 350 minus 20 minus 70 minus 25, 10, 37, 10 minus 6 minus 18 minus 5. Okay, something is going on. Okay. Okay, I had to fix it. This one was like $10 too much. Okay, so now let's do our denominations. So 10, 10, 20, 40, 60, 10, 70, 25, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 37, 140, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 5s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18 plus 13 plus 4. 35 ones. Let's make sure that's correct. Wait, 100 plus 140 plus. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so let's see how much will be in here when we add the 140. So 242 plus 140. Oh, 242 plus 140, 382. So we will be filling up 2 spots. That's good. That sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Make sure that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And you guys have a great day. Oh, I did upload the 50 subscriber freebie on my coffee, so make sure you check that out. It's pretty cute. I added like a dice game and a cat themed one and a dog themed one. So yeah, bye.